What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have two beautiful NG models A320s, both Avianca Airlines, and these are the retro, some of the retro models that they've done, retro liveries that they've done recently. We have the retro sort of Taca tail, and then the Lacsa tail, the Costa Rica one, or Lacsa, should I say. And very excited to have these. I remember Taca. This sort of tail isn't like super throwback-ish. I don't know, because I remember seeing Taca in Miami many times growing up, and the livery was completely different than that. I don't really remember the tail being like that, but anyway, it's really cool to see that they've done these sort of retro tails on these models, and for NG to finally release some Avianca models. So here we go. We have this sort of set. As you can see, the boxes match, and it's really, really cool how they do that. And let's get right on into it. We'll do the Taca one first, and then we'll do the Lacsa after. Yeah. So I'll move that one to the side, and here we go. Here's the Taca one, November 567 Alpha Victor, Avianca Airlines, and really cool box art. You can see. So yeah, let's get right on into it. I think this is actually my first NG Models A320 after they got the new mold out. So yeah, really cool. Alrighty, here we go. Take the plastic out. Here's the model. Oh wow, very, very nice. Looks fantastic. Very excited for this one. Alright. Here we go. Let's get the camera adjusted here. Very, very nice. So here we go. A320 here, got the cockpit nose area and the nose area looking really, really nice. Great detail and great mold and shape. Starlines logo there, you got the Columbia flag, you got some great detail all around there. You got the L1 door and the little I can't even think of it, anyway, or the little antenna. Avianca titles, very, very nice. Got the engines looking really good. Very, very nice job done there. Look at that. Wings looking great. And we'll move along then. You got the overwing exits, and there's markings on the wing for those as well. Very, very nice. And then you got more antennas on the top and the bottom there. You got the registration at the back, 567 Alpha Victor. And established 1931. And then you have the Taca tail in this like cool little design area here. Looking really nice. You got the little Columbia flag right at the top of the tail. So overall, really nice. I think it's pretty cool. I'll take a look here. Very, very nice head-on shot there, and on this side we've got the baggage doors and the bulk bin door back at there, so like the furthest bin. So pretty cool. Very, very nice. Let's say, I remember seeing Taca growing up in like when I would come flying to Miami, I'd see them with their Embraer 190s and their Airbuses. Well, actually, I don't remember seeing an Airbus. I think it was just the E190s that mainly that I would see. But yeah, so that was it's kind of cool that they did this though, because obviously there's Avianca Colombia, Avianca like El Salvador, and I think Costa Rica as well, and various other Latin America countries have sort of an Avianca branch under the Avianca group. But obviously Avianca is mainly Colombian. But yeah, so that's this model looking really, really nice. We'll go ahead, put this to the side, and we'll open up the other one here, the Lacsa one, which I don't know a whole lot about this this livery and this sort of retro one. And to be honest, I really don't know the history about it. And I apologize, I didn't do my research, so I'm not gonna speak on it for something I don't know. But from what I gather, that this is like a Costa Rican airline that was once flying, and this is kind of, maybe it was taken over by Avianca or something, but they're just kind of bringing it back and honoring it. And here you go, registration is 821 Alpha Victor. And here's the box, looking very, very nice. So we'll go ahead and open her up and see what we got. There we go. So really the only difference with these is just the tail designs. Nose and everything else is pretty much the same. And the titles, whatnot, so. But I really do love how NG does these sets, and they've actually released more of these models. A couple more like future release Avianca retros that Avianca's also done, so pretty cool. I won't be getting those ones unfortunately, but it's still cool to see though. So here we go, take a look at this, same as the last one. Cockpit area and everything looks really good. You got A320, you got the Columbia flag and Columbia Star Alliance logo, L1 door and the antenna there, very, very nice. The gears looking great as well. Avianca titles, over wing exit markings. Engine's looking really nice in the winglets and the wings, very, very nice as you can see. Okay, never mind. There we go. Lacsa, November 821 Alpha Victor, and then established 1945, and then this sort of design here on the tail. Looking really, really cool. Very nice. So a head-on look here. And yeah, same thing on this one with the cargo doors, baggage door, etc. So very nice. That's going to do it for these two. We'll bring them in here into the shot. And we'll get them right there. Alrighty, guys. I'm just going to let you know right now, I know there's going to be more model unboxing and review videos coming after this one. But like I mentioned, there's some more Avianca models that have been released and whatnot, and I said I wouldn't be getting them. And on that note, you know, in terms of model collecting, I will be kind of putting a pause on that for the foreseeable future. So this video, the next coming ones and whatnot will be kind of the last couple I do, and I'll, you know, make it known in the last video whenever. But it's not like a permanent, oh, I'm not like just stopping collecting forever. It's just a pause in it until get better situated and can do it and whatnot, sustain the collecting, you know. So anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this video. As I say, there will be more model unboxing review videos coming as I have a backlog of models to review and whatnot, so stay tuned for those. And if you did enjoy this one, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos as well as other content. And with that, I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.